Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Tuesday, March 4th. Let's get into our pre-market analysis. Again, my name is Mo G. I'm with TWA Indicators. Let's see what we have today. All right, so the green line is my long on stall level. You can see how nicely we bounced right off of it. The red line is my short on stall level, and if we look at the TWA market structure, you can see we have support at around the 150s and resistance at around the 500s. So just be careful today. Let's look at our dashboard here. So far, looking like right now shorts are a good play. However, you can see here we have some bearish weakness. So let's see what the open does. And if we look at our IVD, which is this indicator here, see the red background with the candles. Yeah, we might be clicking up right now, but just keep this in mind. If this switches over, then we could look for a different direction. And good morning, Cloud and DC.
Good morning, you guys.
Hey
How you guys
guys,
doing?
hey guys.
Well, well. Look where we are in the market. Back down to Friday's lows.
Phew.
Or this Monday's lows. Oh yeah, that is Monday's lows. Jeez. Hmm. I'll be right back. Let me get some water so we can start in 5 minutes. Open is in 5 minutes, you guys. Let's hit the live.
Let's see. Okay, 3 minutes to open.
All right, all right. Hey DC.
Talk to me.
You're blowing into the mic, man.
My
It's
mic
like
is so sensitive.
I see. I hear. It's like I hear every nose hair.
Yes.
Oh no, where's my headphones? Oh no, where's my headphones? Hold on, you guys. That's not good. That's not good.
All right, let's see. We got 45 seconds till the open.
I might at least wait until the new 4-hour. So cheap. Are we still super cheap? Super cheap. Super cheap. Yeah.
And we are open.
Let's go. I'm looking long if we can stay above 350.
IVD's turning off. Interesting. Just wait a little bit. Okay.
Run.
Long at 80. Taking a trim at 50 points.
Me too.
In runners. In runners.
Nice. Let's go. Let's do it. What's the IVD doing? Why are you turning back to red?
Barely 2 ATRs it moved. Not promising. Debating whether to go to break even or not. Two eight eight, 288. There you go. 70 points up, 80, 90.
There we go, DC.
100 points. Are you not freaking entertained?
Let's go.
You walk right here, you guys. Be careful.
Yep.
It's like, what today?
I don't know if it can go much further, Mo. We'll see. You know what we have here.
Yeah.
I took full profit at that VWAP right there.
Somebody didn't call out his trades. Not naming any names.
And they have to when you do.
There we go. Yep.
I mean, and you call it your trade 20 points later. Let's not start about who's calling out trades and stuff like that.
I cannot control the speed of the market.
No, he's
Okay?
no.
It's not my fault if when I start speaking it's moving.
Right when he said, "Hey, I'm long 280," I clicked the button and I was managing my stop loss, and I was about to say long, but he already said long. When he said 280, I was long at 300. So it's like you were long 20 points before you called it out. But it's all good though. We appreciate your call out. We do. We appreciate your trade idea. Thank you so much for that, DC. Your first day back, caught a 100-point banger.
And that's why people missed you. This is why the public needs DC. They were like, "Where's DC? You guys are cool, but you know, we need DC in our life." All right, let's see who's here. Hey, Jason. Good morning. So funny story, right? I told you guys yesterday I was trading Top Step eval on Tradeovate, and I had left one of my short limit orders on, and you know in the afternoon how price dropped. Well, I caught that entire move down.
Nice.
Yeah, like, I caught
Lucky.
100 points when Trump was talking, and then I called it a day. You know, like I traded it with like only 5 micros, caught the whole 100 points with 5 micros, and I called it a day. And like I left the office just to go get me something to drink. I came back upstairs just to kind of check my email, look at the chart. It dropped 300 points, and I was like,
Yeah,
"What?"
I caught that. I caught
I
that
was
whole
like,
move. I was like, "What happened?" And I looked. I was like, "Oh, okay." Because I was testing stuff, right? I was like, "Oh, let me see." You know, because if it would have taken me out, I was already, I was already in profit, and it caught it. All right, yeah, this is gonna be ping pong today. I gotta wait for the new phone.
Yeah, like I did a temporary lockout after that TP up thing because I didn't want to try to get back into a trade if we broke above.
Guys, ATR is at 41.
Are you serious?
I can see it. I can see it on my Dom. You know how I can see it when I don't see the Dom moving. That's how I'm like, where is it? Oh, it's here. Oh, it went back down. Actually, when the Dom matches the 15-second chart, that's how you know.
Yeah.
So Jason asks, are you guys gonna do this live long term? Well, it depends what you mean by long term.
And it depends what you mean by you guys.
Yeah.
I mean, like I don't want to speak for Mo and DC, but I definitely see myself doing this. Hopefully, with Mo and DC for the next 2 to 5 years.
Yeah, I don't plan on going anywhere.
Yeah, me either. I mean, this is my job now, you know. So and with this year being the first year we're trading live consistently, this is I guess my first job. I like to stay in a role for at least a year and a half before I make a decision on something.
Yeah, same here. Now, as for DC, he will always be around in some way. It depends if Tesla calls him back to the mothership or not. No, but yeah. So seriously, to answer your question, yes, this channel will be up and running, and whomever will be trading with us. Right now, it's just DC, Cloud, and myself. Once we get our feet under us and understand, more about the YouTube game, then we can get more people up. Meaning more of our community trading with us. So you can get the feel for what it's like to be on YouTube. All right. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we're very cheap. We've bounced off my level twice. So
YVD green back to red. Don't like it, but we're very cheap.
Coming down. Yeah, coming down.
I don't know if I want to take another trade before the new 4 hour on other accounts. This one is done for today.
Yeah, my funded futures one is done for the day. Now I'm just on a trade evade top step eval.
Load up those minis. But I don't know. With ATR at 43, minis are gonna hurt.
Yeah, that's a that's a. You could be like, yay! Oh,
Yeah, exactly.
Oh wow, look at the
Man,
market.
as
Crazy.
long as we're staying above this 315 area, which everybody knows what it is, that should know about it. But just keep in mind the obstacles we have above us.
Oh wow. How? Mm. Is she bullish?
What happened to the music, Mo? Where's the disco? Where's the disco? DJ Mo in the house, everybody.
okay. I think you hear it, right?
Yep.
Okay. Sometimes when you have a family of products, they kind of cross paths. Okay, let's see. Can you guys see that? Yeah. Let's see now.
Yeah, I don't want to play this. I don't want to play. tempting, but nah,
It's not tempting.
not tempting at all.
Okay. Back here.
I might get ready for a tiny buy exchange.
I'm waiting. I'm waiting for 260 to break down.
I'm waiting for my level to break down. This green one right here. This has to
What,
break down.
what level is that, man? What level is
I
that?
have 280.
280. Okay.
Yeah,
I might be a little behind you guys then.
that's the one. Because so far we've hit it twice and we've shot right back up. Let's see if I don't know if they'll do it in this 4 hour, but maybe by the next 4 hour, it'll break, retest, and see if it still heads down. Let's change the music a little bit. Alright, let's see the comments. Man. He had 100 points up, 100 points down, 100 points up, 100 points down.
Make up your mind and queue.
Never. It's at the 280 mark again.
Okay. Five minutes, still we're not super cheap anymore. And then if 250 breaks,
250 breaks. I have 20,000.
yeah, I wouldn't mind getting another 200 points.
No, here comes the bulls. They're trying. they're like, stay away from 280. We like that price.
Indeed, do.
And bears are like, we want it cheaper.
And Adam is like, I want 11,000.
Yeah. Just break it all down. Okay, 4 minutes. About 4 minutes and 10 seconds left.
Sheesh, both 15-minute candles are dojis. Wonderful.
What's the ATR?
Well, it's now at around 42 only.
New 4 hour coming up soon. Sheesh. I may lock myself out of all my accounts. I'm thinking about it.
Okay. Didn't call this one. It moved fast but short at 300.
You had time to
100.
call. You had time to
Yeah,
call.
I had. No, this time I had. Yes, I'm 100 points. 120. Okay. Let's go. Come on, don't push it back now. Give me 150. Give me 150 points. Come on. Don't be an NQ. Nope. Okay, fine. Done on this account as well. What more do you guys want? A retest of 270 and failure would give you another entry short if you.
I lock myself out. I lock myself out. I'm done for the day. No trades for me anymore. Just that one trade and done.
Let's go. Okay. Okay, I'm done as well, everybody. Enough. Around 250, 275 points for the day. Thank you, ATR. It's nice. One I called, one I didn't call in time. I was already almost at 78 points when I called it. I'm short, guys! It was still the same 1 minute candle though, in my defense. You can see price retraced to 250. I called 260, 270, so it didn't come exactly to the entry point, but and then you got another from 250 to 180, another 70 point drop. TPOs are red as well. I'm curious if Mo gets a short signal on the trigger chart. But that sell is so beautiful. That is around the area that I entered, right? I think. The latest, most recent sell. With the Gabi button.
A little bit.
It's so violent. Are we already cheap? Yeah. Yeah, that's why we're bouncing here on this candle.
Okay. Okay, Nasdaq, keep going. Nice quick scalp. Do not recommend. Do not recommend. I do not recommend. These levels are crazy right now. Like, I don't know if you guys been watching the new trigger candles that we have, but they're very spicy right now. I would like for us to come down to 153. The 150s real quick, honestly.
I really hate how it's trickling down instead of like after breaking this level, which we should like
It should
should
flush.
be
I
all
feel like I should have
yeah we
it sh-
we should already be like 150 points down.
like we had. I thought we were gonna have a quick flush down at the 250 area, another 250 area trade. I thought we were gonna have a flush down. I scalped it twice off of the cheap off the cheap box. I mean, I'm done. I'm officially done. On my Fun the Future live account as well too. So, but I'm still looking long though. But I'm gonna switch to Apex and take a trade on Apex.
Ah, I forgot about. Uh,
Yeah.
So as you can see there on the on this trigger chart, I just realized I was muted, so I'll say it all again. You saw the beautiful sell sign here. You had nice timing with the surge and the pullback. This was DC's trade that he didn't have time to call out because by the time his voice would work, he was already here in this area. But you can see how nicely the timing triggers called this beautiful trade. You can see on the 15-minute, look at the TWA market structure indicator. You can see here we are right by a support area. Hopefully it can start if you're short, you're looking for it to break it down. Let's see if it can, or will it just chop around this area trying to chip away at it. And then here you can see presently IVD is background's red with the candles. You had another sell opportunity right here, and price is now heading down. So
Trust your chart, he should say.
yeah. Eventually. Eventually they'll say that. Yeah. I think it's this one, right? Yeah. I'll make some new songs over the weekend.
Apex account's going crazy. Let's go. I'm adding.
You heard that line, DC? It says when DC whispers, the market speaks.
Ah, there you go. That's what I'm talking about.
And the first line, it says cloud kicking sets the pace.
Absolutely correct.
And there we go. That's the other leg. That's okay. I'm done for today.
Question is, how much lower does it want to go? I'm covering profits here, though.
280. No, sorry. 2080. Let's see. I have to go way back. I have to go way back in time. I'll check it for you, Cloud. Hold on. Just go back. Woo. We are trending down. All right. Let's see. This one. All right. So we can get to, I don't know today.
I think 35 is the area that I have on my chart right here. 35. I'm definitely covering profits though. I
mean, we can see. I think we can see. I don't know if it's going to be today, but you could probably see the 19900s, like the 19975. You could see another one. Could be 19800s. I don't know if it's going to be today, but those are possible areas.
The market look like it want to fall.
Yeah. Oh, no. Get back there. Don't move. Then I would say at the 800s, we might see. Hopefully, bulls might step in there. And if they don't,
I'm flat. I am flat. I am flat.
Let's see. So we got, the 20,000 20s. which is just right in that area. We got this here. We have, what else? Go here. It's 19.6. Not 19.7. 18.8. Yeah, that 19,750 area to 800, I think would be a good area to keep an eye on. Not again, not for today, just in general. Maybe this week, maybe next week. I don't know, but that's a good place that you could possibly see some action in the market. Then if that breaks down, I could see it go into 18.9s. And then
What's his name in here?
one of these.
We are already super cheap, and it's I don't like it.
No, there's I don't see any entries here, at all. Not for a short anymore.
Not longs either.
No, so just I think Clyde, you said Trump is speaking right today. There's like
Yeah,
there's people speaking and stuff.
yeah, at 9 p.m. tonight.
Okay, so that may
Oh, I'm sorry, we have a Fed speaker at 2:20 today.
okay. Depending on what they say, that might bring up price a little bit or down. I think today we're gonna go to the here one. Yeah, we tapped this one already. This is the next one. This 970. 19,970. Oh man, we are like right on top of my lower day.
Man, we're at 70 points from my lower day, so I'm surprised. You know, my lower day was at 20,035.
Yeah, I'm like 50 points above you, so we're right there in the same range. The way that this ATR is, it's like a candle.
Indeed.
Man, I love this mentorship. Holy cow! Oh my god, I wish I had the skills of a wordsmith to explain why I love it so much. Like, if I, like, you know, we make game plans. That's where these lines come from, right? And the way that I was taught to do it, you know, I was only taught by TWA. So when I make them, it still amazes me what price does around these areas. And then you add in, there's another level to this that it's new, called the Excel program. Holy cow! Then you got
Powerful
these
stuff.
triggers that are just like, even if you don't do that, even if you just use the triggers, like, my gosh, so much, so many tools out here, so many. Even like this is probably the most straightforward tool. Let me turn on the money zones. Let me get the money zones up. Again, all of these setups can be found in our Discord, either under Cloud, there's one under myself. There's one under DC. I think Gabby has one. Irshad. There's I think 5 or 6, maybe 7 now. 7 different setups using the indicators that you can look at, so you can see how people are using them. Let's go to this one. I mean, my gosh, look at this. Look. This is. Look at. If anybody wondered why DC took it, just look at this. This just tells you the whole story. I think this is for entry, I think this is the best, one of the best and easy to read ways to lay out your chart using the new trigger pinpoint trigger system.
Indeed. What time frame is that? 15?
This is a 15. Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
I say that just because it's very clean to see. Like you can see here, price went up to the 15-second money zone, could not break it. Then you had the setup come. You had a sell button, which was great. Then you had your timing with the surge and the pullback.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Look at NASDAQ going.
And now it's pushing up. Yep, there you go. See? Lower days still intact. Let's go. Let's go. Look, and remember if you guys, I don't know if they saw it. I think Cloud's video is coming up on his trigger point system. You guys got to see that one. What an interesting way to see the trigger point system on your chart.
And I'm going to post a new layout that I've been working on with the trigger candles that has helped me get 100-point trade a few different times. I got 100 points today on the longs, 100 points last night on the shorts. I think I got 200 points on the shorts last night. I was able to get 50 points on a long during Asia from the setup. So I'll be posting that setup shortly.
I can X this out because I'm not trading anymore. Let me see. Oh, no. Oh, what did I do? Hang on a second. What was that? Maybe. I think we might work on that. We'll have it like the presidential indicator. And whenever the president speaks, it tells you if it's good for the market or bad for the market.
It blocks your chart. It makes your mouse inactive.
Buy sign. See if. But the time
Might
doesn't match.
These Apex accounts are going crazy today. Hopefully I can put out another pair of requests tomorrow on these accounts. Hopefully all of my accounts get paid out rather than 2 of them. I haven't been paid out on all 6 of my accounts at the same time since last October.
Wow.
And mind you, I copy trade 6 accounts.
Wait, hold on. I just want to make sure. You're not talking about different companies. You're just talking about like one company and all the accounts.
Yes, one company.
Okay. I was like, wait a minute. I know, because the math doesn't add up. I'm like, wait, that's not true.
Just one company.
You know, it's crazy. Like, I've been trading with Cloud so long. I know his payout schedule.
On my funded futures, I've been averaging about 2 payouts a week on my funded futures, and on Top Step, averaging about a payout a week. And when I say payout a week, that's like minimum 2 accounts each week I get a payout on. In Apex, I've been averaging about 2 payouts a month. And when I mean 2 payouts a month, I literally mean maybe 2 or 3 accounts each month I get a payout on. So it's not much every payout period. Some payout periods are more than others. Top Step and my funded futures are going to be my most that I make. Apex is going to be the least, but I'm trying to build up enough buffer so I can go heavier on my options and start trading my own cash. That's the goal. Because right now I'm actually in QQQ, Spy, and Nvidia calls.
This is crazy. 10:30. The day's already done. My day, at least. That's what I like.
Yeah, my days. Well, actually, a lot of my days just started. I have a lot of work to do today. So.
No, I'm not talking about work. I'm talking about trading wise.
Oh yeah, no, I'm done. I was done at 10 o'clock. Well, I scalped a few other accounts, but like my main accounts, I've been done since 10 o'clock. The first trade we took this morning, like that long that went to VWAP, that was a good trade.
Oh yeah.
I do blame DC though, honestly.
Thank you. I know. I blame that guy also. He's
Because DC
terrible.
keeps, keeps making fun of me, talking about, oh, you're a perma bull, you're a perma bull in the bear market. And when it dropped, I was like, is this the move that I'm looking for to like pop? And when, and like right when I took it, DC is like, oh, I'm long. I'm like, okay. So we're seeing the same thing. But like I would have
Oh
gotten
yeah.
in a little earlier. Like I wanted to pull the trigger a little earlier, but it's all good.
Okay, we're trying to see if we can come back that 280. Let's see. If we stay above 200, I think we're gonna be trying to get up to like, I don't know, 320. See what it could do. So we got a long way, 6. Yeah.
I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. No more scalps for me. I'm just gonna let these 3 micros run. I'm gonna let these micros run.
Yeah, you could get 100 points from here. It's possible. If we get back above the 250, 280.
Yeah, I'm talking to a friend of mine right now on the phone, and he agreed with me. I was telling him how like y'all called me a promo bull these past 6 7 months, and how when we were trading and how me and my buddy were trading together in a different Discord during the bearish markets, everybody was calling me a perma bear, and it's like for me, it's like all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna follow the trend. The trend is your friend until it bends. Me personally, I don't think the the bearish trend is here until we break a break below and a close below 20,000, which we came close. But I feel like until we have a daily candle that opens and closes below 20,000, I'm not going to be bearish.
That's cool. Because you could catch points either way.
No, you can. No, you can't. Like I took a short last night, 200 points, and it's like I'm, like I'm happy about that short. Then I caught these longs this morning for 100 points. I don't know, man. Like I don't know. Like the only folks who are bearish are retail sellers and traders. If you look at the way that the institutions are trading and buying, they're still bullish, And like we have to look at the gamma exposure as well too. Like right now, the gamma is all negative on some of our major stocks. The gamma has to at least, get to net. Like we have to be able to break even on the gamma exposure. But we'll see. I mean, I'm still, I'm not God, so I can't foresee the future.
Yeah, I'm not sure about half of what you said, but I agree with you.
Yeah.
I'll take your word for it. I'm saying, hey, true transparency. I don't know half of what you said, but it sounds good. But I agree. You let me know what you see, and then I'll take it. I'll take your what is that called? Your analysis. I do. I take it into seriously. I do take it into consideration. Because when I hear it, and then I look at it compared to, like, the stuff that I know, I can see what it makes sense to me. I put it that way.
Yeah, I mean, like we're pretty much saying the same things, just saying in different ways.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like we're speaking very similar. It's just that you know more technical side than I do. Yeah. That's for sure. And that's cool because we all learn from each other. I know Cloud's like, how the heck does Mo get these trades? He doesn't know this side of trading. I was like, I don't know.
No, I mean, but then at the same time, it's like I know tell me, look at me. It's like how does he get these trades when he doesn't know market structure like that? And it's like it's like we all have our little nuances that we're learning,
Yeah.
And right now, I'm learning, market structure. I'm learning how to do trend lines, higher lows, lower highs, breaker structure low.
Yep.
I've been on YouTube, man.
You know who's the best at it, and that I know.
Who, Colton?
Yeah, he's right here. He's like literally on the call with us.
No, DC doesn't like giving out his secrets anymore to me. I realized that.
What do you mean?
Like I said, you don't like giving your secrets out to me no more, man.
What secrets do you want?
All of them.
What? No, well, okay. Let me put this way. What secrets haven't I told you?
There's a lot. There's a lot. I don't know if I want to bring them up on a live call. You know.
Okay, let's talk one of these days.
All right, because you asked me about a question a month ago, and I told you that I wasn't going to give you the answer until you called out more of your trades on live.
And I
Remember
did.
that? Almost.
Debatable.
Yes, it's debatable. Debatable.
Okay. Let's agree to disagree.
Right now, we're inside these money zones. Like I'm on a smaller time frame. The 15 to 30 second money zone is being respected here, you know. And whenever we have a big drop and a nice strong, 100-point move like this back up, I tend to respect those 15 and 30 second money zones as if they're 1 minute. So I did move. I did take 2 micros off. I have 3 micros left on the table. My entry on them is 131. Huh? You hear me? Yeah. 11 o'clock. I'm calling it a day, you guys. I gotta go and get some things done for my trip.
Yeah, so tomorrow, everybody, there's a Discord live trading. No YouTube tomorrow. We'll be back on YouTube on Thursday. So it's in the Discord. Schedule's up there. So tomorrow, Discord live. You can speak live to Cloud. Ask questions.
Is DC gonna be trading with me too?
Most likely, yeah.
You guys are funny.
Hopefully Adam can join us.
Who?
Hopefully Adam can join us.
Who's that guy?
Yeah, I doubt he will, honestly, but hey. There's 100 points again, almost 231, 100 points again. So I'm just sitting this trade, honestly.
Got a buy signal. All right. Okay. So let's just do a little recap. You see how we tested this support box? The price is coming back up. I think it's... I don't want to say that. I'll just say if this 280, if we get it back above 280, we could see I'm thinking 350. That depends if there's anything that causes participation in the market in the afternoon. Let's go to trigger chart 2. Right now, presently, we are, even though the background's red and the candles are red, price still was able to climb up a bit. If you want to be more selective, you can just choose not to trade until this changes. That's fine. And if you are looking for opportunities, this is a good trigger chart. You got the surge, you have the pullback. This is the new trigger point candles, and this is here. This is the money zone. So far, we haven't been able to break the money zone on the 15 second. So, taking a low risk long up to the money zone could be a play. But the better plays are usually, if they don't break, when you're going with direction. So
Trend.
Go with the trend. So trend is your friend right now. I mean, right on the dashboard, it's telling you pull back with trend. Bearish. In order for short, that means it's trendy, and higher time frames are short. So you can see how nicely, if you follow the trend, you have a longer opportunity today, because each day is different, and you could have gotten all the way to here. Pretty nice. Here, same thing. If we go back, see how it changed. Once you had that color change, that was your signal. Okay, here comes the trend. Here's your trigger, and there you go. And once the background changed, you see how we went down. It came up, but we went down further. Very nice. All right. So with that, we are gonna wrap this call up. DC, anything in closing?
I mean, it was a pretty easy day considering all the ATR shenanigans.
I love high ATR days, by the way, especially if you get direction right. It's nice. Cloud, anything in closing for you?
The only thing I would have to say is that like I feel like New York did it again. You see, no, for real. If you,
Yeah.
like one thing I've been saying about New York is if we can't get close or to that London high and break above it, it's gonna be a bearish New York session. And this has been the case the past 4 weeks now. So I mean, I'm just kind of monitoring how we trade that New York Open, and like I locked myself out, after that first trade because I saw that we couldn't really break above VWAP, and I didn't think we, were going to close above VWAP, and we never did, and we've been bearish since. So just be mindful of that, of the New York Open with the London high.
Awesome. And then I think is it this week or next week, Cloud, that people can see your setups, the new ones.
This week I sent it to Adam already.
Okay, so keep an eye out for this week. We'll announce it on here when they're up, so this way you guys can go check them out. So everybody, thank you so much for trading with us today. Again, tomorrow Discord live with Cloud and DC. Thursday back on YouTube with all of us. All right, everybody, thank you guys so much. Everyone out there, thank you, and have a great rest of your day.
Hustle hard in the morning light, shots are ticking through the night. Moji's got that golden sight, making profits left and right. Candlesticks, the dance we know.